denied us access.
Please, madam.
Chief unaitwa na maji
Mimi nimesema aingie.
You also respect authority. Anakuita.
3:30 a.m. the hospital was invaded. Patients, some of them were force-free discharged. The CCTV cameras were damaged and the staff were evicted. And the county purported to have taken control of the hospital. We had a civil case which was coming this morning, and we appeared for Lady Justice Millicent Odieni. We informed her of the development. Unfortunately, counsel for the county government denied and said he had no information of such acts of hooliganism. The judge therefore directed that all advocates to come and meet and see the premises, accompanied by the deputy registrar of the court. So we are now preparing to go to court to push for contempt, because we live in a country where there is law and order, and obedience of court orders is sacrosanct. They were, most of them were, I'm told, they were taken to the next hospital annex. That's where quite a number, others were just discharged and released. And as you have seen, you have found some there being discharged. This is the reason doctors are not being given access, so nobody can treat them.
Mtu ametoka theater early morning yesterday with this disturbance. He's in oxygen. You can see the situation. It is alarming. But then what do? We are not happy with the county government. This is not the government we woke up very early in the morning to elect. Leader, it is not.
Tugetigana na ripoti iyo tugire hari ripoti